Hello everyone guys, today I will reveal a unique strategy for binary options trading based on two powerful indicators. This is a perfect way to increase your efficiency and confidence about your deals. And to simplify your path to success even more, I invite you to join the Telegram channel where I regularly share signals, strategies, and other beneficial information which will help you to achieve the desired results on the market. Don't miss a chance to make your deals profitable. Join right now and let's get started together. Now, we move to the topic of the video. In this video, I will show you the strategy based on two indicators. Okay, the first indicator I use is the ATR indicator, and the second one is Charles Pans fractal. So, let's move to analyzing our strategy. Okay, firstly, let's define what each indicator shows. First indicator I use is the Charles Pans indicator. Shows us a certain range within which the price is, and this range has two boundaries: the lower boundary, which is marked in red, and the upper boundary which is marked in green. These boundaries show us the latest maximums and minimums during the formation of the chart, and accordingly, these boundaries serve us as a support and resistance levels. However, in order to enter a trade more accurately, we will use the ATR indicator, which will help us to predict whether there will be a rollback or a breakthrough of the level. ATR indicator shows us the overall volatility. Thus, if volatility is increasing, then most likely the nearest level will be broken through. If it falls, then the nearest level will most likely not be broken through. Okay, let's look at some examples on the chart. For example, let's analyze this moment. In this situation, we have a certain level formed, and during the last approach, at this moment, volatility increased, within which the level was broken. Or let's look at the price approaching this level. Okay. As the price approached, our ATR value fell, indicating weak volatility, and we had a rollback. Now let's go through the points of what we need to do to make money here. Firstly, we need to see whether the price has approached the support or resistance level or not. Once the price has approached one of the levels, you need to look at how volatility changed as the price approached one of the levels. Volatility increased, we open a trade on the breakthrough of the level, and if volatility fell, we open a trade on a rollback from the level. Now let's move on to trading. So I found a good situation to work with. I immediately opened a trade to decline. Let's see what's up here. In this situation, what's the price? When the price last approached the upper border on our indicators, the ATR value was going down, which indicates a rollback movement for me. And now let's check confirming factor. And here, this local resistance level acts as a confirming factor. Okay. A local level is a level that has already been broken through at some point and has performed well through history. So in this situation, we saw a rollback here, and right here, and these rollbacks indicate the strength of this level and increase the probability of a rollback. So we have literally 20 seconds left to the deal's closure, and there is no particularly strong movement yet, but we're waiting for the result. So my trade closed successfully, and we had a good downward movement, an excellent result. You can see which we will trade according to this principle. Let's move on. So I found a good situation to enter the trade. I open a trade with up or a bit higher, and now we start looking for what we see in this situation. Here, the price has approached the lower limit of our indicator. As the price approached this level, the ATR value was declining, which indicates a rollback movement. And if we look at the chart as a whole picture, we can see that we have a local support level in this area from which there were certain rollback movements. Accordingly, all of that tells us the price is likely to go up. So the trade was closed at a profit. Okay, there was no particularly strong movement, but I was able to take my profit. By the way, the upward movement continues despite the fact that I closed the trade at a profit. Okay, we go on. So I found a good situation to work with. I opened a lower trade. And why lower? It's simple. I saw we had a downward movement during which the level on our indicator was broken through. And when this level was broken through, the ATR value went up, which indicates increased volatility and that the movement is likely to be continued. So the trade is closed in a profit, an excellent result, and my balance is, by the way, $10,620. Okay, well, I found another good case for the downward movement, so my trade is up. And let's check what's up on the chart. On the chart, we see the breakthrough of the nearest support level as well as the nearest level on our indicator. And when the level was broken through, the 8-year value went up as well, which indicates a good continuation of the downward movement. In case the trade closes in a profit, I will earn $1,700, which will be a really good result. Okay, we have literally 20 seconds left till the day's closure, so let's wait for the results. So the trade is closed in a profit. Okay, the downward movement continued in the end, and now let's sum up the results. As you can see, thanks to this strategy, I managed to significantly increase my deposit in just a few trades. Oh my god. However, you must not forget that I achieved all of that with the right approach. And if you're a beginner, I really recommend you to practice a lot. Or trade using my signals that I provide in my Telegram channel. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it, and bye bye for now.